So hello guys, welcome to the channel Devil Rider. So today's basically the video is gonna be upon the trick. You can call it as a trick, but it's a inbuilt feature which we get in the Xiaomi phone. So right now I'm having Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro. So it's a 6GB and 64GB variant. So today's video gonna be upon the trick or a feature how we can lock our apps, so that if we are giving our phone to someone, they can't get into our apps. So let's unlock the phone first. So I'd like to open one app which is unlocked. So here, as you can see here, the app is Shazam. It's not locked, so you have to simply go back, go to the settings. As you scroll down, you can find app lock, so you have to simply press on that. And then it will ask you to create a pattern. So I'll just simply create a pattern. And next is that is popping my name. So it's okay. So we verify it first. It's done. Then you have to just choose which apps you want to lock. Then you can hide the apps also. Like if you want to hide some apps, just scroll down. You can see the hidden apps. You have to turn it on. Then you have manage hidden apps. So you can hide just these apps. So for example, let me hide this Shazam. So I'll hide it. As I go back, here I can find Shazam. So what you have to do is you hold your finger like this and you have to zoom out. And it will ask your data, just fingerprint. And it's here. Simple as that. Hope you guys like the video. If you like, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And share this video as much as you can. Thank you.